quick little look at Verasity then on the daily time frame. As you can see, not much to report. Same as the past week or so. Still consolidating at this support here at the 0.23 Fibonacci at half a cent. Very, very nice entry in my opinion for the long term when I am looking for much higher prices. Heading up towards that $1 level, I think, is where I'm looking to aim for Verasity in the bull market. As I've said many times previously, that's only around a 10x of the all-time high. I do think that a lot of the FUD and nonsense surrounding Verasity is going to get cleared up. The team have already said that they're going to sort out the 90 billion market tokens getting fully separated from the supply, which will essentially cut the supply by 90% down to 10 billion tokens, which is absolutely mad. I'm currently sitting on a very, very nice bag of Verasity myself, and I do think that this is a crypto that is going to do very well in the bull market. So much FUD and nonsense at the minute because the price hasn't done a 10x already, despite the fact we're still in a bear market. You know what you get, a lot of people during the, that prelude to the bull market where they see things that are pumping up 10, 20x and they go, why is my coin not pumped? It's a scam. Obviously that is not the case. Verasity have a very, very clear business model and idea. They've got a nice 10-year runway, got some decent revenues, and they are starting to get more and more patents, more and more partnerships. And in my opinion, this is one of the cryptos that I've got a lot of high conviction on because of these things. Lots of people will obviously always have something to say. There's lots of fudders on Twitter, but remember, they're probably just engagement farming for a little bit of money. So take everything that you see with a pinch of salt. I think that Verasity personally is going to do very well in this bull market. It's gearing up at a very, very nice level of support right now. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Every time that we come down into this area, we do get a bounce. And if we came down and lost this support here, my God, I would buy so much more because I do think this is still going to come up and make new all-time highs. Imagine this coming back down to a fifth of a cent here, and then you buy like, say, $1,000 worth. And then it just comes back to the all-time high and doesn't even make a new high. That's a 4,000% gain, or around a 40x from that low, which would be absolutely amazing. So obviously a very, very, I think this is sitting really in a nice position right now. Very boring at the minute. People are getting, I'm guessing potentially annoyed because the price action isn't doing exactly what they want straight away. But patience is the name of the game with markets, and I do think that this is, in my opinion, going to do very well going forward. Something that I am willing to hold until I see some of my price targets being fulfilled, at least heading up towards a new all-time high. We've obviously got these nice extensions here. The 127 at 22 cents would be a very nice start indeed. And you've seen in the previously, you can see this long consolidation that we had before for Verasity, before the bull market. And we could easily see Verasity doing something like this for a good while until we see ourselves making a new all-time high once we do see those altcoin seasons going into the next few years. So overall, feeling very good about this one. Very excited to see what happens next. Let's get into it and see what we can do.